You are going to love the 2013 Volt. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, cargo net. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.